Looking for the best gas lawnmower? We've got you covered. From power-packed engines to top-tier durability, these lawnmowers will make your yard work effortless. Stay tuned as we break down the top 5 best gas lawnmowers for power, performance, and durability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing reviews. Let's get started. Number 1. SenX LPSGM321 inch Gas Push Lawnmower. The SenX LPSGM321 inch Gas Push Lawnmower is a powerful and efficient tool for maintaining your lawn with ease. It features a 125cc 4-cycle Briggs & Stratton engine, ensuring reliable performance and easy starting. The 21-inch steel cutting deck provides a wide, even cut, while the mulching and side discharge options allow flexible grass management. With a 6-position dual-lever height adjustment, you can easily set the cutting height to match your lawn's needs. Durable wheels enhance maneuverability, making mowing effortless. Designed for small to medium-sized yards, this mower is built to deliver consistent results. Experience efficient, hassle-free lawn care with the SenX LPSGM3. Number 2. YardMax 22-inch 201cc Select Pace Self-Propelled Lawnmower. The YardMax 22-inch 201cc Select Pace Self-Propelled Lawnmower is a powerful and versatile machine designed for efficient lawn care. Featuring a 201cc engine and rear-wheel drive (RWD), it delivers excellent traction and performance on various terrains. The 6-speed continuously variable transmission (CVT) allows smooth speed adjustments for optimal control. Its 22-inch cutting deck ensures a wide cutting path, reducing mowing time. The 3-in-1 functionality supports mulching, side discharge, and rear bagging for flexible grass management. Large high wheels enhance maneuverability, making it easy to navigate uneven ground. With durable construction and user-friendly features, this self-propelled mower is perfect for maintaining a healthy, well-groomed lawn. Number 3. American Lawn Mower Company 1204 14-inch Push Reel Lawnmower. The American Lawn Mower Company 1204-14 14-inch Push Reel Lawnmower is an eco-friendly, low-maintenance solution for small to medium-sized lawns. Featuring a 4-blade reel system, it delivers a precise, scissor-like cut that promotes healthier grass. The 14-inch cutting width and adjustable cutting height 0.5 inch to 1.75 inch allow for customized lawn care. With its lightweight, durable design, this manual mower is easy to push and maneuver, making mowing effortless. The rust-resistant, heat-treated alloy steel blades ensure long-lasting sharpness. Ideal for those seeking a quiet, emission-free alternative to gas or electric mowers. The 1204-14 is perfect for maintaining a lush, well-manicured lawn with minimal effort. Number 4. BILT Hard 21-inch Gas-Powered Lawnmower. The BILT Hard 21-inch gas-powered lawnmower is a powerful and efficient tool for maintaining your lawn with ease. Equipped with a 201cc 4-cycle engine, it delivers strong, reliable performance with an easy start system for hassle-free operation. The 21-inch cutting deck provides a wide mowing path, reducing time and effort. Featuring a 3-in-1 design, it offers bagging, mulching, and side discharge options for versatile grass management. With 10 adjustable cutting height positions, you can customize the cut to suit your lawn's needs. Its durable construction and smooth maneuverability make it ideal for small to medium-sized yards. Experience effortless lawn care with the BILT Hard 21-inch lawnmower. Number 5. BILT Hard 20-inch Gas Lawnmower. The BILT Hard 20-inch Gas Lawnmower is a powerful and efficient tool for keeping your lawn in top shape. Equipped with a 144cc 4-cycle OHV engine, it delivers reliable performance and an easy start system for smooth operation. The 20-inch cutting deck provides a perfect balance of maneuverability and coverage, making it ideal for small to medium-sized yards. With 8 adjustable cutting heights, you can customize your lawn's look with precision. Its durable steel construction ensures long-lasting use, while the lightweight push design offers easy handling. Perfect for lawns, yards, and gardens, this gas-powered mower delivers effortless cutting and consistent performance for a well-maintained lawn. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.